very good morning to everyone present here. My name is Nikhil Dhandar from Dr. Punjab Rao Deshmukh Institute of Management Technology and Research. As being a part of presentation competition on socio-economic application of emergent technology, I have chosen some unique part, that is the gaming. We all know that emergent technology are those technical innovation which represent the progressive development within the field for competitive advantages. They cover all kind of technologies represent to their distinct field, which are in some way moving towards a stronger interconnection and similar goals. In our day-to-day life, we utilize many kind of emergent technology in our sector. If we move in the gaming sector, in the field of emergent technology, we all know that the gaming have been taken boom in the market in this pandemic situation. A game is an activity that one engage in for amusement or fun. If we see an artificial intelligence is one of the biggest technology innovation that has changed the gaming experience for human player. As we look forward to the gaming future, we can already see virtual reality and augmented reality onto a gaming screen. We also know that every person who carry some kind of game in their mobile handset. If we see the gadget have been taken a drastic change, your innovation, upgraded gadgets is upcoming in the 2020-21 are Catwalk Mini, Microsoft HoloLens, the Void gaming suit and the Tesla gaming suit. These are the picture of the Catwalk Mini in which the base is made up of treadmill section and the man is wear the virtual reality glasses in which he can move if make a physical movement as the feeling the atmosphere in the gaming part. The Microsoft HoloLens, the man wear a kind of lenses in which he can sense the surrounding gaming part, or he can make a educational sector by the wearing these glasses. The Void gaming suit, it is the kind of suit in which a man wear the virtual reality glasses and a kind of jacket. This is the in the Void gaming suit, the major is there the jacket in which he can sense the bullet hitting. This jacket is made up of some vibrational components that the player can sense the heating sense. Next is the Tesla gaming suit. The Tesla is the biggest company nowadays in which the Tesla have made such kind of suit in which the person wear the virtual reality glasses and whole suit, which he can walk from one part to second part while sensing the gaming part. Next, as we can see the economic implication of emergent technology by gaming. Education sector. The education have taken the drastic change online by playing games. Next is the driving pilot training. Nowadays we can see they have taken rise in the accidental training. So people have made the gaming part converted into the training sector. Employment. Most of the people have gone by employment in the field of gaming. Virtual army training. If army want some heaviest training, they can feel by the gaming part. Technological improvement. Gaming have been changes to make a drastic change in the field of technology innovations. Next, if we see the socio implication of emergent technology by gaming, there are the two parts I have been divided, that is the advantages and the disadvantages. Improvement in the education quality, but second is the violence. The person who's playing continuously gaming is converted into the form of the violence. Life skill take a drastic change while playing some best gaming. Second is the addiction. Like we all know that the PUBG is the kind of game which most of the student or children have gone through the addiction part. Job skill. Job skill is the in the gaming sector we can see feel that aptitude, some kind of games which make and the particularly job skill. Replacement of traditional. Nowadays we can see the children are just play their games on the mobile handset and all, but don't play on the field work. Exercise. Yes, there is a part of exercise in the gaming, but only the brain exercise, not the physical exercise took place. Second is the distressedness in the other activity. Mostly because of the gaming, it is the entertainment part though, so there is the distressedness in other activity. Entertainment. Next is the increase in anxiety. In disadvantages, it means like laziness. Digitalization. Gaming have been taken a good part in the digitalization. and less physical interaction. Means external environment, there is a less interaction in the physical part. Thank you so much to everyone for to the all organizational member for passionately watching the video. Thank you so much.